Welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. I use the Rider Waite Tarot if you would like to view the card while you listen using your own tarot card deck or a computer. Today, we're exploring the Queen of Pentacles, focusing on reversals. First, let's start with the divine meaning of the card, and then the meaning when reversed. The Queen of Pentacles upright is a nurturing, practical, and grounded figure. She represents stability, the ability to care for others, and the balance of home and work. When reversed, the Queen of Pentacles suggests this balance may be incompatible. You might be neglecting your needs in favor of caring for others, or you may struggle to manage the demands of your personal and professional life. Next, let's talk about reading the Queen of Pentacles in a reading. When the Queen of Pentacles reversed appears in a reading, it's often a call to prioritize your self-care. You may be overextending yourself in your efforts to care for your family, home, or work responsibilities, and it's taking a toll on your mental or physical health. This card encourages you to take time and balance giving and receiving. It may also indicate that you're struggling with organization or feeling scattered. Suppose you've been neglecting your daily routines or feeling out of control with your finances or home life. In that case, the reversed Queen of Pentacles invites you to refocus and bring more structure to these areas. For example, my reversed Queen of Pentacles moment was realizing how fast and furious I was running until I left the city and moved to a small town. I had years of saying yes to all kinds of commitments for both my contract business and events thrown by my network. I was unwell for about a year when I moved to rural BC. I was getting sick more often and never really felt right, even when I was well. I believe my mental health and physical health both crashed as soon as I had the chance. I was so busy with commitments that I didn't listen to my body. I just kept pushing and kept moving. I went from the stable and reliable Queen of Pentacles to a flaky, forgetful, and ill person for about a year. Thankfully, that season has passed, but I believe it was the compounding stress of my lifestyle in the city, and I needed to focus on myself and my health. Thank you for joining me in exploring the reversed Queen of Pentacles. This card teaches us the importance of self-care, balance, and creating stability in our life. Of course, to memorize tarot, keep practicing tarot. As you listen to these 3-minute lessons, you will consistently remember the symbolism that applies across different cards in the deck. Thank you for listening. Join us for more 3-minute lessons to memorize more cards.